Hey everyone, I'm just popping in real quick to do the reviewer giveaway for the month of June. The newest addition to the shop that's going to come out within like a week or so is Gaia. And then after that we have Hera, Setiwan, and Lakshmi coming up. So those each take about 2 to 3 weeks to make, depending on the design and the testing and how much time I have available. But other than that, let's go ahead and go on to the giveaway because I don't think I have anything else to mention. But yeah. All right, so let's shuffle these here. A couple more shuffles and okay, here we go. Ooh. Holster. All right, well, you barely left the review yesterday, so just in the nick of time. All right, cool. So I'll be reaching out to you on Etsy, so keep an eye out for that private message. And if you guys made a purchase and you didn't leave a review for the month that you made a purchase in, no worries. As long as you leave a review for whatever month, you'll just be entered for that month. But other than that, yeah, I mean, I have a long list of requests, so I'm still trying to sort those out and go through them. But yeah, if you have any questions or if you have any other requests, definitely feel free to just send me a message on Etsy and I'll get back to you the second I have a chance. Well, have a lovely July, everybody. Enjoy your summer, wear sunblock, all that good stuff. Next time, laters.